Good evening, this is Yogesh from Tirupati HIMS. Under this article of video or tutorial, we are going to present how you can make a patient registration for OP entries as well as the admission patient of IP entry. So let's log in the system software with the respective account, and under we will go to the patient registration reception module. In this particular video you will able to also having, you can see this kind of the interface of patient registration window for outpatient and records as well as the IP patient record. So first of all I would like to uh, inform you some key information. These are the important tabs like OP registration, daycare, accidental case entries, IP admission, ICU emergency, and MRO visitor entry logbooks. Okay, in this window you can control or the reception or this registration user can perform or help desk user can maintain this record entries. Here the patient entry are faced from some kind from appointment to registration as well as walk-in patient direct registration and the IP patient registration. So currently let's assume a patient, so we create a new entry. Here you can see some fields like MRD number or UHID number, insurance company or panel company, type of patient, this patient names, age, selected treating doctor, mobile number, genders, and address of patient. These are the key feature. It is mandatory or compulsory field before submitting patients for creating a OPNT. Similarly, while you making IP admission, that time you also need the patient detail along with the ward or bed and reason or purpose of admission via diagnostic procedure. You can prepare this record at the time of registration. So let's create first of all a OP registration window so that we will collect some basic information of patient. I have refreshed this page to get new data, and the system will provide a unique system generated UHID. uh, let's create here patient Ram Kumar Mishra, for example. You can put patient age and days, month or year. If you can also mention the date of birth, so age will be auto calculated from the system. For example, if I mention 30091987, if I use tab button, the rate is tentative 37 year of the patient age. Similarly here patient relative name like Ramesh Kumar. Okay, and to whom the patient wanted to see, or like the general medicine, orthopedician or ENT, pediatric, like that. So we can select respective department and system will fetch the respective department based authorized doctor in the system, and the consultation fees which has been defined in master time and day wise will be fetched by software at creating a new patient entry. If the patient is follow-up entry, no consultation fees will be applicable. Here we can also input patient's mobile number, and the system can send the WhatsApp if you want to send the check mark WhatsApp for generating system. This the now the system is checking this number is not exist in software previously. If it was there, the system will recall patient data of such kind of patient which exist this similar mobile number. So let me prepare here uh, some basic detail. Okay, and the patient address and something we can mention here. Okay, these are the patient health card number, UHID. Rest information are optional here to prepare a one time registration fees and consultation fees will be applicable by software if depends on the hospital to hospital or institute based services. Right side you can see the patient attendance information, like someone who have along with the patient is Satish Kumar, for example. It is not compulsory, you can fill optionally fill. Okay, brother, and this is belongs to also, for example, name ka thana. Okay, here patients relative or along with the patient's mobile number, we have caretaking of that. So we can contact emergency contact detail you can maintain here. These are the system generated admission date, follow-up date, reminder date, OP system generated, OP number, patient quantity. So this key information you can capture from patient while creating a patient for OP entry. And after having you can also, if you are authorized to give patient discount, you can provide. After you can select payment options like patient is making payment either cash, either it is insurance patient or like that. Along with during the registration you can select the panel or insurance company or case categories which kind of the patient we have. For example, we can consider this case patient, and after doing so we can click save and print. On this moment system provide you a printable patient cash prescription format and the cash receipt. This patient cash receipt is getting such kind of the print preview. It can be customizable as per based on hospital to hospital or institution based, where patient demographic detail, it's a service item services details, paid amounts information, mode of payments like that, and this a user ID or the information from is generated. This QR code is scannable to open this document on your mobile screen also. So this way you can prepare OP registration of patient via walk-in patient. Now let's assume a IP admission of a new patient or say old patient. So I capture a primary details for patient, either it is the case, CGHS, RDHS, insurance company, Bajaj. So you can select the respective company and mention patient details here. Like if I select gender respectively, the male female will be system automatically match for the gender. So I mentioned some information like Gayatri Kumari Sharma, the patient age, and wife of like Rakesh Kumar Sharma, who we wanted to see, for example, gynec doctor, and that we will check who is the gynec doctor list are there. Like let's assume Dr. Neha will be visiting this patient, and the record will system address in this way, and patient address we mention here like Seeker Road, Jaipur, and under which ward we are going to admit, like female ward, deluxe ward. So system will check the patient. The some disabled ward means there is already another one patient is already occupied. You can give the vacant ward or bed number, reason of accidental purpose or why we are admitting the patient, delivery case or something. We can describe here the reason like this way. So and IP admission duration you can mention the attendant detail also, and the contact details. So this way you can prepare a walk-in patient admission. If you wish to collect any deposit amount during the admission time, so you can have option billing categories for deposit like 5,000 advance deposit, and this amount is patient is paying by UPI or debit credit card. We can select the payment option. After doing so, when we save and print, the system will provide a admission consent form or patient ID card information along with a patient's this printable type of Hindi or regional language which you want, this kind of the printable IP consent admission form for the patient. Okay, along with you will having patient cash receipt of the software with how much amount we have paid. So this is the patient advance deposit receipt. So this is one receipt, one patient consent form, and one patient ID card format. It can be like visiting card shape 80 by 40 size can be printed at the time of admission to preparing file documentation. So this way you can prepare a patient OP or IP entry for walk-in patient. If you having any old patient, you can use the patient's mobile number, for example UHID number put here. The patient data will auto reflecting here in the screen. Like I used any old UHID, the containing this UHID with patient name Asha Devi Mangal and other details like that. So data get feature. And parallelly, if you wish to search no have idea patient don't have any UHID memorized So we will have option to find out the patient via mobile number, and we can find out the patient name, records or like that. Okay, either mobile number or UHID or something detail we can find out. So this is the mobile number content of various records of the same mobile. If you used to select it to take the service with patient, so you can select and prepare the OP or IP services of this particular patient. Okay, and we can save and print on which ward we are going to admit for admission purpose. So we can select here and preparing a admission of certain patient. Okay, like this way we fill the record, and if any advance payment is collecting for old patient, so we can mention here what amount we have collected from patient, and the admission can be performed for old patient existing like this way. The same moment system generate patient documentation, patient ID card, patient advance receipt and the other detail. And there are, you can find out the patient with UHID, mobile number, ID proof, royalty number, patient relative name or patient name like that. And you can get the patient and perform admission or OP admission. Even if any patient is appointment is reserved, that patient can be also make a registration. For example, this patient Manoj Kumar is already in appointment, and whenever he comes to the hospital reception, the reception guy can click on right tick on green color. The patient details will be redirected to the registration window, and here we can capture referral doctor also if needed, and doing so we can prepare OP registration of this certain patient from software. Okay, and we can just save and print. The system will provide a registration prescription format along with a patient advance receipt or payment receipt of the services, and this way you can perform OP or IP activity from software by doing this way. If any concerns or anything that you have comment about this tutorial, you can comment in the uh, below video, and we will get back to with the certain reply. Thank you so much. Have a good day. We see you in the next video tutorial. Thank you. Bye.